Protection systems include various types of foam which are shaped to hold the part. But the most basic foam set is a block of foam we call pick and pluck. Just pull out the half-inch cubes and you've got instant protection. Pick and pluck foam is a stock accessory to all our cases, so you don't have to worry about minimum quantities. From here, we go on to custom foam, which begins with a part drawing and a first article made from a water jet cutter. Once approved, the run is die cut and fitted to the case for shipment. Custom foam requires engineering and die tooling, so minimum quantities do apply. Let's talk padded dividers. They're really simple. Foam panels are wrapped in nylon and sewn with Velcro ends so they can be positioned wherever you like. Our cube cases are so deep, we had to set them up on 2 levels, and the top tray has a mesh zip cover. Now, padded dividers are stock accessories, so the good news is there's no minimum quantity.